How to easily add your board to MikroSDK. Well, the process of adding new board is really simple. Enter Setups and start the process to create a new one. Select the desired compiler. Choose Add New Board option to start Custom Board Tool Wizard. Now you can add your board in 3 quick steps. Step 1. Give your board a name and a nice picture to go along with it. Step 2. Select the MCU that gives life to your board. Step 3. Add important interfaces like Microbus. Custom Board Tool will give you selection of pins for the already selected MCU. Select the correct connections that are on your board. This information should be in the board schematic. You can repeat this process to add multiple interfaces. And, again, populate them with correct pin connections. To complete the process, click on button labeled Finish. And here is your new board. Use Share option to spread it across the team, and publish to ask MikroE developers for review and adding to next NECTO Studio update. Use already defined board to complete your brand new NECTO Studio setup. And that's it. Your new board is now available to use on any new or existing MikroSDK project.